All right, welcome back. Researchers at the Salk Institute have made a very important discovery that could change the way we treat cancer. Joining me right now to talk about this discovery, Dr. Ruben Shaw from the Salk Institute. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so this is very interesting to me because anybody who has ever had cancer or knows people who have gone through cancer, the treatment is, standard treatment, chemotherapy, radiation, and that treatment kills not only the cancer, but everything else in the body.
Yeah.
So how does this new discovery change that model?
That's right. So in this case, we're working off an idea that cancer cells have unique metabolic needs. They need to make more lipids and more cell structures within themselves than normal cells do, even normal dividing cells. And no one has ever had the ability to selectively try to target that assembly line that helps make the fats that actually make all the components of a cell up until now. So we helped with collaborators in Boston, a company called Nimbus, developed this new small molecule to target this fat synthesis pathway, and we tested it in advanced lung cancer models. And we compared it head-to-head with standard chemotherapies like cisplatin, normal platinum drugs used for all lung cancer patients. And this new inhibitor worked better than those, but most importantly, when you combine the two, it actually inhibited 87%, almost 90% of tumor burden shrank.
Wow.
We have never seen anything like that in decades.
So let me be clear, and let's be clear with the people at home. So the idea is to prevent the tumor cells from recreating by blocking the fat that it needs to produce it.
That's right. It's literally like stopping the construction site. The trucks can't deliver the things to make two copies, for the tumor cell to divide. You're selectively stopping the tumor cells from being able to divide.
So let's talk about the real-world application of this. Where are we with it? I mean, is it a drug yet? Can people have it? Is it in
Great question. So this is still an early-stage experimental drug, but a version of this drug is in clinical trials right now for fatty liver disease. So it has gone into people. It has already passed some safety hurdles, and so it should not take that long for it to enter into early-stage clinical trials for oncology, for cancer. So we expect within the next year, and then the question becomes how many other types?
Right, that's what I was going to ask you. Are there specific types of cancer that this drug would be best for, or all of them?
We don't know the full extent of it. We have tested it extensively in lung cancer, but we believe actually liver cancer it may be more potent for, and a handful of other types of cancer. All cells of our body rely on this process, so there is a great amount of potential for this, but we need to carefully define which patients will it be most useful for, so that's the next step.
And how to roll it out eventually. Okay, well, wow, please keep us updated on your progress. This is an amazing discovery. Of course, all kinds of wonderful things happen at Salk all the time, so we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you for coming in.
Thank
all right,
you.